Okay. Oh my gosh, this is a big bulgy head here. Come on, girl. You need food. You're gonna migrate soon. There you go. Oh wow. You want some too? Okay. I can feel I'm taste testing my my legs. That one wants food, not petting. When they hear the others, when they hear one of them suck, they get really excited.
Ah. So it is a sucking sort of thing they do to get the food in?
Yeah, they kind of suction it in, and then the teeth are like really like peg-like sandpaper that points backwards. So once they have a grip, you know, it doesn't let go.
Oh, I heard that suck.
Did you hear that suck?
Yeah.
It's out of food. Here's a face coming out of the water. They're just beautiful, amazing fish. I mean, just think these girls have been alive for probably somewhere between 50 and 70 years to be these big ones. Look at them all right in my legs. And they love me now because they know I'm the feeder. Oh, I missed it. And I can just feel them against my legs. It's so awesome. That body. They're amazing. Gosh. Some of them bite very gently.
I think that's a grey warbler.